Well, here's a really special car. This is a 2004 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 hardtop heads cam, 524 horsepower. This car has some very special performance options as well. It is a beauty. Machined silver on the exterior, black on the interior, and as we said, under the hood, 524 horsepower LS engine with 6-speed, yes, manual transmission. Now, factory features includes a heads-up display, memory package, dual-zone electronic climate control, Bose CD stereo, power driver seat, power windows, power locks, power steering wheel. Everything on this car is power. It has tilt, cruise control, ABS, traction control, and active handling. Best of all, this car comes with a clean Carfax, and it has some very special aftermarket performance heads and camshaft. It's in overall good condition. It shows just 16,352 miles. The paint is in very good condition. As you can see, it has a nice shine. Those factory wheels are in very good condition. And the interior, well, just take a look. The interior of this 04 Corvette Z06 shows good condition, factory leather seats. Very good to excellent center console, very good steering wheel. Now, additions to this car include the RHS Pro Elite LS7 cylinder heads, LS7 fuel rail covers, aftermarket performance camshaft, cold air intake, Excel ignition wiring, Koch stainless steel long tube headers, DeWitt's aluminum radiator, Canton sheet metal coolant overflow tank, has this polished valve covers, Whitehurst shift knob, and a short throw shifter as well. It has window tint and it has an oil catch can as well. And included in this car will be the dyno sheet showing all the performance specifications on this car as well. So give us a call today here at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia at 770-414-5552. When you do, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here as well. Hit the notification button and you'll be the first to see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. Remember, we're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We make buying online something you can do with ease and confidence. And also, we make shipping something you can do much less expensive than you might imagine you can. So give us a call today, buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We intend to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience. Hope to hear from you really soon.